improved biology, strength of the implant, and then unique instrumentation. The biology and the strength of the implant, I see that day in and day out when I use this device. I think it's great.
With the Integrity, we tried to have something that has some time zero strength so we can manipulate it, and something that is biologically active that's going to help heal the repair, and then something that's easy to implement.
What's really exciting is the fact that the folks at Anika, the engineers, have found a way to spin this hyaluronic acid into a mesh and then create an area so we can create a scaffolding and strength. I think that's kind of amazing.
Why wouldn't I add a scaffold? Why wouldn't I add something that may speed along the healing? So I have to convince myself more to not augment nowadays than do it.
This is a fantastic product. I have drastically noticed less rejection as compared to other things out there. Early feedback from patients has been that this is a useful product with good outcomes that I would recommend for other surgeons.
I have noticed that at 3 months, those patients in general tend to have better strength than I would anticipate. It's getting to the point where I am increasingly shortening my postoperative rehab time and putting them on an accelerated protocol.
I guarantee you, if I had a cuff repair, I would definitely have integrity in my cuff. And my left one's probably going pretty soon too anyway, so that could happen. You got to have biology. These days with technology and the way we're looking at repairs and how things heal, there's no reason why you shouldn't augment. It's a no-brainer.